Hi front-end techies, welcome to UI Talks. This is React RoadMap. Web fundamental knowledge is the first step. It includes to know web technologies, including HTML, CSS, responsive design, JavaScript, DOM manipulation, fetch and access API calls, version control for file management, and we should have good knowledge on ES6 plus also. We should have knowledge on array functions, destructuring modules, object manipulations, etc. Step 2, core React knowledge. So the core React knowledge includes the React basics knowledge. First, the components, props and state, JSX, component lifecycle, event handling, conditional rendering, and to have the knowledge on list and keys. Step 3, so advanced React. So you may have a thought on what I need to learn in React as advanced. So here's the last lot of things to engage yourself. React hooks you would have to understand. So it includes use state, use effect, and use context knowledge. And you should have good knowledge on a context API, which is mainly used for state management. And navigation purposes, you should have knowledge on router. And we have some optimization hooks like react.memo, use memo, and use callback. And we should have knowledge on error boundaries. Step 4 is state management. So state management React can be done through local state with React, and global state can be managed by context API, and we can have also third-party tools like Redux and Sustain for this purpose. Five is performance optimization and fasting the apps. So to increase the performance optimization and increase fast apps by, we can use code splitting, and we can do React profiler. We can have visualization of larger lists, and we can have lazy loading with react.lazy and suspense. The sixth step is testing. So unit testing and end-to-end testing is needed for any application. So for React, we can have unit testing with the help of Jest, and end-to-end testing we can do with the Cypress, and component testing we can do with the React testing library. Step 7, styling. So learning styling to make the websites looking very impressive and good looking. So we can have CSS modules and inline styles in React itself, and we can also go for utility frameworks like Tailwind CSS. Step 8, TypeScript with the React. So you may wonder why TypeScript comes in React, and as it is associated with Angular, because it is used for type annotations for props and states. Ecosystem tools comes along with the React.js, Next.js, React Query, and Form. Step 10, so real world applications. So to study the fundamentals of reusable components and deployment, you can understand component architecture and folder structures. You can have good knowledge on deployment tools like Vercel or Netlify, so which is useful for hosting React.js applications, and you have to understand reusable components building. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, subscribe. UI Talks.